Hello everyone. Sorry I sound like this. Allergies. I'm gonna make a quick video on how to change the license plate lights on a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the housing and the screws. So we can just use any regular screwdriver if I can find one. My tools are kind of all over the place. Let me see if I can find one. Found one. You might want to use some bulb grease as well. And here are the lights. They come in pairs. You might want to change both of them. Wanted to show off my Hyundai 99 Integra real quick. Needs a paint job. My sister ran the bumper over with the Santa Fe, actually. Anywho, back to changing the lights. So this is really easy. I don't think I gotta show y'all how to unscrew these, you know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Alright, once you're done unscrewing it, it just comes out like that. And then all you have to do is twist it to the left to loosen it up. And this is real easy to take out. I'm using a phone, so all you have to do is pull that out. And then all you have to do next is put the bulb in, put it back in the housing. I just realized this is breaking. Twist it right, and then you're good to go. It's as easy as that. Have a good night.